In this video, I'm going to share with you a very unique and important thing, which is Instagram text automation. Yes, if you're running an Instagram today for any purpose, like to grow your e-commerce business or to grow your personal presence, then replying your DMs, your comments is very important for you. And if you're not doing this, that means you are missing out your reach and too much business, right? But on the other hand, if you're managing your Instagram account, then it is nearly impossible for you to reply your DM every time 24 hours or to reply your comment. So basically in this video, I'm going to show you a free software, and with the help of which your Instagram will automatically reply your customer's message, your story reply or comments or any other interaction your audience do. So basically this video is going to be a life-changing video for you, and after watching this video you will feel amazed, because if you sign up on this free tool and if you connect it with your Instagram, then believe me, after 1 month you will come back on this video just to comment that your life has become too much easier, because from today you don't need to manually reply all of your DMs, all of your comments or all of your story replies. So if you're excited at this time about exploring this tool, then keep on watching, because in this video I'm going to share with you each and everything step by step, and in front of you I will set up some automatic replies for the comments, posts and DMs, so you can also learn that. You can also follow the steps and implement those steps on your Instagram account. And not only Instagram, this will work on your Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp as well. But before getting started, I'm Uzair, and I run multiple online businesses like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, affiliate marketing and YouTube. That gives me financial freedom and allow me to travel the world without having any worry of 9-to-5 job. So if you also want this freedom to working remotely from anywhere in the world, then make sure to subscribe to the channel to learn more about online earning for free. And if you're confused at where to start, then you can just simply visit the link ways2sellonline.com/start. So you can just find some useful material from there and get a complete roadmap from where to start. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened a tool called ManyChat. So basically it's a free tool and there are some paid versions available as well. But if you want to sign up for free just to test it, so you can go in the description of this video to sign up on your ManyChat account and connect it to your Instagram, Facebook or WhatsApp to create automatic replies. And believe me, if you are using this free version, then it will be enough for you, because it can actually handle up to 1,000 contacts. So when you go on ManyChat from my link, sign up on there, so you will be able to see a dashboard like this, which is called a welcome screen, right? So after signing up there, on the left side you can see that there are some tabs. So basically 2 tabs are important for us right now. Number 1 is automation, which is there, and number 2 is settings. Because if you click on settings and go down, so from here you can actually connect your Instagram, Messenger or WhatsApp with ManyChat. So when you click there, so you can connect your Instagram with it in just one tap. So after connecting, you have to go on the left menu and click on automation, right? So after clicking on automation, you can see that I have multiple flows ready here, because I have been using ManyChat for 5 years. You can see that this flow I have used 5 years ago, right? So if you connect your Instagram, so from the top you can see there it's a new automation. So if you click on the new automation, so you can see a new page from which you can actually build your automation message flow as per your requirement, right? So you can see that this is one of the basic flow which I have just created from scratch. So if I click on this flow, subscribe to Instagram, then I will be able to see this. So don't worry, when you connect your Instagram with ManyChat, you will also see this built-in flow in your ManyChat, right? So after opening that flow, you can see that we need to understand these 3 blocks, right? So you can see that this is the first block, which is called a trigger block. Like you need to define the action here, after which you want ManyChat to respond to your user, right? And in the second block, you can actually define the message which you want ManyChat to send your user, right? So this is the first block called trigger block. Second block is called message block. And later you can actually customize this whole flow. You can add multiple blocks, as many as you want, right? So now the question is how you can set up. So basically to set up your flow, you need to click on this first block, which is also called action block. So if I click on that, so you can see that there are 2 actions defined. Number 1 is when a user sends a message, and number 2 is when a user replies to your story. So basically this block will trigger automatically when any user sends a message to your Instagram or when any user replies to your story, right? So you can see that you can actually delete these 2 actions. Like if you only want this trigger to work when someone message, not on the story, so you can simply click on this drop down menu and click on delete. And just like that, if you want to add any other action when you want this box to trigger, so you can just click on there again and then click on edit automation. So you will be able to edit and add new trigger here. So if you click on new trigger, so you can see that it is giving us 2 options, Messenger and Instagram. And if I click on Instagram, so I can see multiple options here. Number 1 is when some user comment on your post or reel, when some user reply on your story, when some user click on your referral link, send a message or comment on your live. So basically, if I want this block to get triggered when someone comment or message on any of my particular posts, right? So basically, if I click on that, user comments on your post or reel, so it will start showing me all of my posts which I am having on my Instagram, right? So you can see that how cool is that? Like you can actually customize this whole thing free, of course. So basically right now, if I want this ManyChat chatbot to trigger when someone comment on my recent post, which is this. So all I need to do is select this post and then click on continue, and then I need to select any specific keyword. So just click there and type hello or hi. Right? So basically if I select that keyword and then I click on continue, so here you can actually type the replies for ManyChat. So those replies will be automatically posted to those comments, right? And you can see that here are multiple options of reply. Like you can put 1 reply, 2 reply, or maybe 4 or 5. So ManyChat can shuffle and put a random reply on your user's comment, right? So basically if I just click there, put any reply, and then click on save. So here you can see that we are done. And just like that, if I want to add a new trigger, so I just have to click on this new trigger and then click on Instagram and then click on user replies to story. So if I select that, so that means when someone replies on my story, so ManyChat chatbot will automatically reply to them the same message which we will put here later on, right? So if I click on all story, so that means it will work on every story for future, right? So just select all story and then click on reply contain any word or reaction. No, because we want this to be work on every reply. So just click on save and then click there. So you can see that user reply story number 2, right? So that means from now onward, when someone sends us a message on Instagram, reply on a story or comment on any post, this trigger will work. And what action this trigger will do, we need to define that action in the second box, which is this one, right? So we need to click on there, send message, and here you can see that this is the message. You have successfully subscribed to Instagram page name. That means it will write your Instagram page name automatically here, which is connected to your ManyChat account, right? So basically, if we can just erase all the text here, we can just write any template here, like thank you for reaching us out. Let me know how can I help you. Right? So basically this is a template, this is a simple text. So the possibilities are unlimited. You can just use any text here, you can just put some conditions here, or you can actually create a flow of chatbot. Like if customer reply hi, so ManyChat will reply this one. Or if customer reply hello, so ManyChat will reply this one. And you can actually train ManyChat to keep doing conversation with your customer, so they can actually ask question, ManyChat will give them answer. So you can actually define a 4 to 5 step conversation. So before you chat your Instagram DM by yourself, ManyChat will automatically chat with your customer and take the requirement from them. So you can later on continue that conversation manually and close a deal with your customer, right? So as I said, the possibilities are endless because ManyChat is a super powerful tool, and you can actually use this tool into many ways, in replying your customer, in chatting with your customer, or maybe if you're using any strategy, like you are saying something in your Instagram reel, like if you DM me, then I will send you this. So it will be nearly impossible for you to reply the DM of thousands of customers. So basically in that case, you can use ManyChat. So ManyChat will send the same reply to all of those people who are basically sending you a DM on Instagram, right? So I hope at this point you are completely aware about what ManyChat is and how powerful this tool is. So right after watching this video, go there, sign up on ManyChat, connect it with your Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp, and automate your business so you can get more and more free time and your business will run successfully. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.